If you're an entrepreneur, you know you need to post content, but you just don't have time. And honestly, I get it. You're running a business, you're handling clients, managing operations, putting out a whole bunch of fires. So honestly, sitting down to write a LinkedIn post or plan a YouTube video just feels like being at the bottom of your priority list. However, content doesn't actually have to take all day, because with the right system, you can go from nothing to a full week's worth of content in literally less than an hour. And the content actually sounds like you, not like generic AI slop. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system step by step. Hey, I'm Sen, and the first concept I want to explain, and the reason why this content system works, is because of something called the content waterfall. Now, the idea of the content waterfall is simple. All you need to do is create one main piece of content, which is your pillar piece of content, and then you break it down into smaller pieces for every other social media platform. So for example, one YouTube video becomes 3 LinkedIn posts, or 5 short form clips, or an email newsletter, as well as a handful of tweets to post on X. You're not creating new content for every single platform. No, you're just repurposing the same idea into different formats. If you look at people like Alex Mosey, Dan Martell, Diary of a CEO, all huge creators that you probably follow, they have big teams who are helping them do this for years. But the difference now is that we have AI tools that we can use and that can handle the repurposing parts for you in literally minutes. So you don't need to pay for some expensive content team, and you don't need a social media manager. All you need is just your expertise, one recording, which is your pillar piece of content, and the right tool. And the right tool in this case is Poppy AI. And I'm going to walk through 4 steps, which will take you literally less than 1 hour for you to turn any piece of content into a content waterfall system for your business. Okay, so first off, before I get into the content waterfall system, I need to explain why a lot of small business owners actually struggle with their content. Now, it's not a creativity problem. It's actually just a process problem. Most people try to create content from scratch for every single social media platform. With that process, business owners aren't studying what works. So they just end up posting whatever random ideas and random content formats comes to mind, and they just hope it lands. But hope isn't a strategy. You need references, and you need to research what type of content actually gets engagement on all the social media platforms that you want to post on. It's literally like trying to cook a great meal without ever looking at the recipe. Now, you wouldn't do that with your products that you're trying to sell or your sales process. So then why should we do this with our content? And that's exactly where the content waterfall fixes all of these problems. You only need just one good idea per week, and you just need to study what's already working before you create anything. And those 2 shifts alone will cut down your content time by probably around 80%. Okay, so now let me explain the system and how we use Poppy AI to create content that can go viral in literally less than 30 minutes. Okay, so first you want to open up Poppy AI and you want to create a new canvas. I created this one earlier, and the first thing you want to do is literally go onto social media, whichever platform that you want to post on, and then literally just copy and paste links to reference videos that you want your videos to just be like. So as we can see here, I've got links from YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and these pieces of content performed very well. So I've literally just pasted them in. What's great about Poppy is the fact that it literally transcribes all of these social media posts. So you don't need to manually extract the transcript and copy and paste it in. It's very, very seamless and efficient to use. Now, next, after you've done that, you then want to create another group. Call it My Content. Now, this is where you post in any kind of content that you've created. And if you don't have any content on social media already, that's absolutely fine, because you can also upload any transcripts from perhaps some of your previous meetings that you've had with your team, or any sales calls that you've done, or you can literally go in and just literally record your voice for a couple of minutes. Now, the whole point of group 2 is so that the AI that you use can really understand the DNA of your voice, how you speak, what words you like to use, and what kind of topics and ideas you often repeat. Now, with these 2 groups created, you then want to connect it into an AI chat, which you can find at the top on the side here, or you can just press the shortcut C and it will come up here. Now, once it's connected, you then want to start giving it prompts. And for this one, what I did first was I prompted it to look for references that I've given, as well as my own content. And based on what's performing well in this space and what I've already talked about, give me 5 strong content ideas for me to use this week. And each idea should have a clear hook and be something I can speak about from personal experience. And what's really good about Poppy is the fact that after you've put in this prompt, it literally goes through all of the information and data that you're priming the AI with, so that now when it gives you content and ideas, the ideas are based off of the analysis of your tone of voice, as well as the outlier content which you fed it. Now, this beats just using a generic ChatGPT chatbot or any other LLM, because you've now given it so much more context. So the quality of the ideas that it gives to you and the quality of the content which you will repurpose, which I'll get into later, is just so much higher, and it's lots easier to get to that level of quality output. Okay, so it's given to me a few ideas for this week, and I selected the top one because I thought this is just the most interesting. Now, what it's done is actually created me the pillar piece of content. Now, the pillar piece of content doesn't have to necessarily be a YouTube script. It can be whatever main social media platform you want to target and post on first. So for myself, because I make YouTube videos, I've selected the YouTube script. And literally within seconds, it's created this whole script that I can literally sit down and start recording by the end of today. Okay, so once the script is done and recorded, or your pillar piece of content on whichever social media platform you want to use is done, you then want to feed in another prompt. Now, this next prompt is now where I'm slowly repurposing. So for this one, I've asked it to then convert the YouTube script and to write a full LinkedIn post based on the script, making sure that the tone is still the same as how I like to speak naturally. And what I like about Poppy AI is that with the Poppy chat, you can use any kind of LLM that you want, as well as you can adjust these prompts in any kind of way that you would like for your business, as well as your social media strategy. And literally within minutes, it creates this whole LinkedIn post for me as well. And if I read through it, it literally sounds like my tone of voice, because again, we fed it all the content, so it knows our voice DNA. Okay, so with these two steps now done, step 3 is where we now repurpose onto every single social media platform. And this usually takes literally 10 to 20 minutes to do. Now, as I mentioned earlier, what you want to do is grab outlier posts on the different social media platforms that you want to target. So in this case, for me, I've done Instagram as well as LinkedIn, but you can also get posts from whatever social media platform that you want. And now I fed in this new prompt here, where I've asked it to repurpose into more LinkedIn posts, a short form video, as well as Twitter and X posts as well, from the pillar pieces of content that we created earlier. And as I hit enter, it now begins to work through everything for you. And when we looked at the huge teams which these large content creators use, this tool is literally doing what they do by a fraction of the cost and fraction of the amount of time it will take them to get this thing done. And now literally just like that, we now have a whole bunch of posts that we can now start publishing. One thing as well, with Poppy, probably the best LLM to use for this task, I will say, is Claude Opus 4.5 or Claude Opus 4.6. However, it does use up a lot of tokens, so just be mindful of this. However, in terms of the quality, any of the Claude models really does the job well. So I recommend using those above the rest for now. Okay, so if you want, read through all the posts that you've now created and make any small tweaks or adjustments that you think you will need. And then you're now ready to go into step number 4, which is just reviewing these drafts Poppy has come up with and making any small edits you think are needed. Now, I usually spend around like 5 minutes scanning through each post, tweaking a sentence here and there, just cutting out anything that just feels too wordy and adding a small bit more personal detail or two that only I would know. It's that personal touch is what separates content that feels human from content that feels like generic AI slop. And also, if something you read just doesn't feel right, honestly, don't be afraid to prompt it again. Tell Poppy what's off. Say, for example, this is too formal, or make the hook more direct, or add a specific example from my experience, right? The more specific your feedback is, the better the next output will be. So keep editing and pushing until everything just works and clicks. Honestly, just treat this like a junior team member, where you give it feedback, you train it over time, and the quality of output just becomes better and better and better. And that's literally it. 30 minutes, one pillar piece of content, plus posts for every single platform that you're active on. And you can also even add an email newsletter prompt as well. Now, if you followed this process every single week, you'd have roughly literally 50 to 60 pieces of content to post per month. And most small business owners are posting maybe 4 or 5 times each month. So the difference in visibility you'll get will be massive. And that's the whole trick these massive online entrepreneurs use, and how they're able to post with high volume without burnout or the quality of the content decreasing. Now, the reason it works in 30 minutes instead of 30 hours is simple. It's just because you're not reinventing the wheel every single time you post content. You have one good idea, you study what's working, and you let that tool just handle the reformatting of it. Your job is to literally work with Poppy AI, bring in your expertise, and Poppy is your writer. Okay, so now let me explain to you what the pricing is for Poppy. So Poppy is around $399 per year, and the base tier has no monthly plan. However, they also give you the ability to upgrade your account once you've paid for the yearly plan. And this is where you can access a lot more more credits. So if you think you'll be posting a lot of content, you'll be using a lot of the AI chat, then it might be worth upgrading. However, honestly, I recommend just paying for the base yearly plan and then later on seeing if you even need to upgrade. Most of the time, you might not need to. Now, if you want to try Poppy AI, I've linked it down below and you can get a $25 discount off if you use the code Charlie. If you use any of our links below, we do get a small referral fee and no extra cost to you, and it helps us keep creating free videos exactly like this. So thanks a lot in advance. Now, if this is helpful, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out this video.